काली ने काली ढोला काजरियोरी एक सा। काली ने काली ढोला काजरियोरी एक सा। ओ पुरोड़ा बादल में चिमके बिजली के बिछियो मुमल जागे तो मैं जागू मरुधर देश में माँ। पिया प्यारी मुमल जागे तो मैं जागू मरुधर देश में माँ। Good afternoon. Today is Sunday, 6th November. Suddenly I decided to create a compendium of Marwadi music, Rajasthani folk music, and a few modern Marwadi songs in one video sung by me. But since I am not a commercial artist, neither am I a great singer. At 51 you can't expect me, not being a professional singer, not doing riyaz, to be a great singer. So what I have done is, initially the first 6-7 songs I have given you a YouTube link which you can paste on your browser. It will go to my blog youthentertainmentnetwork.blogspot.com after a few days. All the video links are there. On YouTube it won't be clickable, you can copy paste it on the browser, but on my blog you will be, or my Facebook, K Venugopal Menon, kvenugopal.menon, www.facebook.com/kvenugopal.menon. You can go there and you will find this in my notes. You can search Marwadi folk songs by Venuji. This is one of the most comprehensive list of Marwadi songs which I am recording, and please forgive me for the disturbances because this is not a recording studio and I am doing it on a simple Nokia E63 phone. The first song which you heard was Mumal. This is a typical Marudhar song. Basically, Marudhar is Jodhpur, the Maru Pradesh or the desert. Jodhpur is also called Marudhar. Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner are the desert areas of Rajasthan. And there is a love story about Mumal. So the song was about Mumal. And he's saying that your eyes, your hair is like clouds. And your eyes are like, the lightning coming through the clouds. And if my Mumal wakes up, only then I can wake up in my Marudhar. The next song is by late Alai Jalai Bai, who was a court singer of Sir Raja Ganga Singh of Bikaner. And her famous song, the first and the second song, Mumal and Kesariya Palam, are based on the famous Mand Rag. And these disturbances will be there all through the recording. Please forgive me for this. Mand Rag is the basic rag on which majority of the Marwadi Rajasthani folk songs are based on. It's a basic rag around which the composers have composed their songs. The Langas and the Mangadiyas, the classical singers who have got a basic classical tinge due to the impact of the Muslim music from across the borders on Pakistan, and there are marriages held between across the borders in that area. Children born in Langa and Mangniya tribes, they learn music, classical music, in their mother's womb. So you will see a lot of Mangniyas in Langa videos where young boys are playing the khartal, the percussion instrument. Not wasting much of time on talking, the second song is Kesariya Balam by Allaji Lai. केसरिया बालम आओ जी पधारो मारे देश केसरिया बालम आओ रे पधारो मारे देश आओ मारे देश आओ मारे देश जी केसरिया बालम आओ नी पधारो मारे देश. Next song is Ghumar. Ghumar is a traditional dance done in Jaipur during Teej and Gangaur festivals and in praise of goddess Ghumar. ओ मारी घूमर छैनक राली रे माँ ओ मारी घूमर छैनक राली रे माँ घूमर रंबा मैं जाशा और रजनी घूमर रंबा मैं जाशा हो मारी घूमर छैरख राली माँ घूमर रंबा मैं जाशा. It's a song where women dress up in traditional Lehriya wear in Rajasthan, various colors, and dance around the Ghumar goddess. Next song is about a girl who's woken up by the peacock's sound at night. मोरिया छो बोलो रे जुल्मी रात में मोरिया छो बोलो रे जुल्मी रात हमारा हिवड़ा पे किया तूने घाम रे हमारे हिवड़ा पे क्यों थने घाव रे घाव रे घाव रे मोरिया छो बोलो रे जुल्मी रात में. She's saying that, my dear peacock, you woke me up at night and you made a wound on my heart and I can't sleep. The next song is the famous Langa song done beautifully by Bundu Khan Langa, Gorband Nakhalu. Gorband is a Marwadi Rajasthani folk art accessory used by females and the camels. Whatever the camel races you see, or if you watch 26 January Republic Day parade at Rajpath, New Delhi, every 26 January, there's a BSF battalion which takes part in the parade where Jawans are riding on the camels. The decorations done on camels is also called Gorband. अड़ी अड़ी लुम्बा 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 रे अड़ी अड़ी लुम्बा 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 रे अड़ी लुम्बा लुम्बा रे अड़ी लुम्बा लुम्बा रे मारो गोरबंद नकराड़ो हाली जा मारो गोरबंद नकराड़ो. अड़ी अड़ी लुम्बा 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 रे अड़ी अड़ी लुम्बा 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 रे अड़ी लुम्बा लुम्बा रे अड़ी लुम्बा लुम्बा रे मारो गोरबंद नखराड़ो आली जा मारो गोरबंद नखराड़ो. He's saying that my Gorband is, awesome. The next one is about a girl talking about a newly married woman, talking about her husband. It's a tradition in Rajasthan they do not take names of their husband. So here she is calling her husband Suvatio as her younger sister-in-law's brother. Udiyo de udiyo, udiyo de udiyo, do 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 do, jaye jaye re. Udiyo de udiyo, do 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 do, jaye jaye re. Maro Suvatio, maro Suvatio. सुवतियो जी छोटी नंदन रो वीर वीर रे सुवतियो मारो छोटी नंदन रो वीर वीर रे ओ मारो सुवतियो. The next is the Manganiyar song. You must have seen in a movie from Salman Khan and Aishwarya Rai, I suppose so. निम्बुड़ा 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 अरे छोटा छोटा काचा काचा निम्बुड़ा लाई दो निम्बुड़ा लाई दो निम्बुड़ा 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 अरे निम्बुड़ा 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 अरे छोटा छोटा काचा काचा निम्बुड़ा लाई दो निम्बुड़ा लाई दो निम्बुड़ा लाई दो. The next song is the Akashvani singers. I don't remember his name and my wife will not tell me the name when I ask her. This guy is an ordinary worker. He was a peon working in state government, and this guy used to sing at Akashvani Jaipur. He has written a song about a dove and the sound it creates. Dove is a grey bird, smaller than pigeon. You see normally in Rajasthan sitting on the electrical wires. It's mostly found. I don't see comedy in Kolkata, and I do see it in Jaipur often. And comedy makes a song. We used to make the sounds using clapping our hands. Okay. कमेड़ी बोली गू गू गुटर गू 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 गुटर गू 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 बाळंगी को भी तो बोलो ऊ ऊ ऊ कमेड़ी बोली फुर कमेड़ी बोली फुर कमेड़ी बोली गू गू गुटर गू 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 गुटर गू 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 गू. He's saying that the comedy makes the sound, and the gardener's son, lady gardener's son, says because she's eating up his mind and eating up his lemons, and the gardener is saying "Purr," means shoo shoo. Okay, I'm simply sitting on my dining table, sipping coffee and singing the songs, so there'll be a lot of disturbances. Please don't mind. The next song is about a wind instrument which I described in my note. Please do read the comments on this video. Mara Chel Bhavarsa. Algoja is a wind instrument. It's a dual flute. Mara Chel Bhavarka Algoja Keta me baje Keta me baje Keta me baje Mara Chel Bhavarka Chel Bhavarka Chel Bhavarka Algoja Keta me baje Mara Chel Keta me baje. This is the sound which normally all Rajasthani traditional old village songs have. Comedy boli, comedy boli, comedy boli, boom. The next song. The next song is another Langa song, which I heard. I don't find any videos on YouTube. This was sung by a young boy in traditional Mand Rag and using Khadtal, Sarangi and the traditional Langa set. अली घर आए, नबी घर आए, अली घर रे, ओ अल्लाह ओ घर रे, ओ जी नबी घर आए, अली घर आए, अल्लाह दे दो मुझे, अल्लाह दे दो मुझे जी. The next song is a song which is, a lot of Rajasthani songs are about Nibu, the lemon, because lemon is one of the major crops in and around Jaipur, in places called Bassi and Jammu. A lot of Meena tribals cultivate this lemons and they come to sell in Jaipur. And most of the songs have either, the comedy or khartal or algoza or jalebi or eatables or, fruits. Most of the songs are dual meaning. The dual meaning bordering on indecency but not very vulgar. They are dual meaning, and mostly it is the pranks played between the brother-in-law and sister. The wife's sister. The husband plays pranks and flirts with the wife's sister. So this one is another song, and the other thing about it that the banter between the brother-in-law and sister-in-law is quite bordering on vulgarity, but it is treated as normal because these are songs to entertain. Okay. Malan thara baag mein narangi latke. What he's saying is, the lady gardener, Malan, in your garden, the lemons are hanging. Now, he's saying it to the gardener, and he's talking about lemon, and they are hanging, but he's talking about some other lemons, Malan thara baag mein narangi latke, narangi latke, narangi latke, malan thara baag mein narangi latke. The second song in the same genre is, these are the songs which I have heard, Bundu Khan songs I have heard on Akashvani Jaipur during the program 7, and these mainly pertain to the music of Jaipur. साड़ी तू तो छे जलेबी भरी रस की, जीजा साड़ी पे नजर कैया अटकी, साड़ी तू तो छे जलेबी भरी रस की, जीजा साड़ी पे नजर कैया अटकी. Here is saying that, dear sister-in-law, you are a sweet called jalebi, and you are filled with sugar syrup. And the sister-in-law is saying, brother-in-law, why are your eyes gaze fixed on me? The next song is about Dighi Kalyanpuri. There's a 64 kilometers from Jaipur towards the south. There is a place called Kalyanpuri where there's a temple called Dighi Kalyanji. It's in Dighi, and the person called is Kalyanji, and people walk, some crawl and go 64. I have also made those trips a couple of times during monsoon season. There are people on both sides of the road giving up free food. It's between Jaipur and Dighi, and it takes around 1.5 days to reach there. And you pray in the morning and come back walking. Go walking, come back walking. Around 64 kos, not kilometers. One kos is 1.5 kilometers. बाजे छे नौबत बाजा मारा डिगीपुरी का राजा, डिगीपुरी का राजा, डिगीपुरी का राजा. बाजे छे नौबत बाजा मारा डिगीपुरी का राजा. रे लूल महिला ने टांगा डीजे मारा डिगीपुरी का राजा, आंधा ने आखा डीजे मारा डिगीपुरी का राजा, डिगीपुरी का राजा, डिगीपुरी का राजा, बाजे छे बाजे छे बाजे छे नौबत बाजा मारा डिगीपुरी का राजा। मेला में मेला में मेला में, दिस द इला अरुण सॉन्ग। मैं थारे संग चलूं साजना, तू मारे संग चले साजना, मेला में मेला में मेला में, अरे मैं थारे संग चलूं साजना, तू मारे संग चले साजना, मेला में मेला में मेला में। Another Ila Arun song which is quite popular is वोट फॉर घाघरा। दिल्ली शहर में मारो घाघरो जो घूमे रे घूमे रे घूमे रे घूमे रे, मारी भैया पकड़ी तू काई बोली, अरे दूर हट जा छोरा, दूर हट जा, दूंगी मैं ऐसा झटका, हाय दिल्ली शहर में मारो घाघरो जो घूमे ओ घूमे रे घूमे रे घूमे रे घूमे। Next one is a song which I have seen being performed by a girl somewhere when I was 22 or 23 on stage, and wow, it was rocking dance number. अंजड़ की सीटी में मारो मन डोले। This is about describing a girl in a railway bogie. She's traveling, and what happens to him? अंजड़ की सीटी में मारो मन डोले, चल्ला चल्ला ओ चल्ला चल्ला रे डिलीवर गाड़ी, हौले 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 हौले। अंजड़ की सीटी में मारो मन डोले, अंजड़ की सीटी में मारो मन डोले। बड़ी जोर को झटको लागे, मैं लागी शर्माने, बड़ी जोर को झटको लागो, मैं लागी घबराने, चल्ला चल्ला ओ चल्ला चल्ला रे डिलीवर गाड़ी, हौले 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 हौले। अंजड़ की सीटी में मारो मन डोले। This was my ringback tone in Mathura, and people used to laugh listening to you. This is a funny song. This is a Chirmi snake dancer song, also done by Gulabu in lot of Kalbelia dances. This is a Kalbelia song. ओ कालो कूद पड़ो मेला में, साइकिल पंचर कर डालो, ओ कालो कूद पड़ो मेला में, साइकिल पंचर कर डालो। There's another Ila Arun song. रेशम का रुमाल गले में डाल के तू आजा, दिलदार मेरे पे कब से खड़ी हूँ दरवाजे पे हो, रेशम का। Now this is a Hindi song but done in a Rajasthani folk. That's why I added. It's a Guji religious song. छेड़ा थी राजा गुजरी रे, मैं तो थने ही मना बाई रे। So this is a very dual meaning holy song played with duff, and the song words are so luscious that a person can reach orgasm if he listens to it with a bhang in his head and listens to it totally concentrated. नैना नीचा कर ले श्याम सु मिलाएगी काई रे, नैना नीचा कर ले, होली है, नैना नीचा कर ले श्याम सु मिलाएगी काई रे, नैना नीचा ओ भीगी थारी तेरी चोली भीगी सारी अंगिया, नैना नीचा कर ले, होली है। The next song is late Ravi Shankar Nag. He was a commercial taxis officer in Jaipur, and he was a regular affair on Jaipur Doordarshan and Akashvani Jaipur. And he had a pet signature song called Bol Panchida Re. Why I love this song is because, it has a lot of eatables. Are bol panchida re, panchida. Are bol panchida, bol. खुशी के बोल. जयपुर के घेवर आबादे, जयपुर जलेबी आबादे, जोधपुर की कचौरी आबादे, ब्यावर को तिलपट आबादे. बोल पंचड़ा रे, बोल पंचड़ा. बोल पंचड़ा बोल, खुशी के बोल पंचड़ा बोल. सांबर की फीणी आबादे, जयपुर की कचौरी आबादे, बूंदी को लड्डू आबादे. बोल पंचड़ा रे, बोल पंचड़ा. जयपुर रो घेवर आबादे, जयपुरी जलेबी आबादे, सांबर की फीणी आबादे, जयपुर की कचौरी आबादे. ओ बोल पंचड़ा रे. The next two songs are basically movie songs. The first one is actually a Haryani song, but added up in a Marwadi movie. But we have Haryani culture near Sikar Lakshman Bhatt, so I would include it. मन्ने जयपुरियो घुमा दे रे, ओनन दीजे वीरा. माने जयपुरियो घुमा दे रे, ओनन दीजे वीरा. माने चूनड़ दिला दे हो, ओनन दी के वीरा. थने यू थने आँखा में बसाड़ो रे, ओनन दीजे वीरा. Again she is calling her husband as her sister-in-law's brother. You see. नखरालो देवरियो जी, मन मारी जरा खैर सुनो. नखरालो देवरियो, सासू जी मने माफ करो. Now she is telling her mother-in-law that her brother-in-law is has a lot of heirs. I will end up this video. This is 27 minutes, so 3 minutes left for half an hour. I have bored you enough, but a lot of Marwadi songs in one video you won't find anywhere. This is a song, Chhori Jaipurri, which I have heard by the Kataria Orchestra Jaipur for so many years that I remember this. Chhori Jaipurri, o ya ki kamar aiya ho ri chhe. या तो छोरी जयपुरी, जयपुरी भाई जयपुरी, या तो छोरी जयपुर की. अरे वाह छोरिया का करम फूट गया, जाको बींद शराबी छे. वाह छोरिया का करम फूट गया, जाको बींद शराबी छे. दारू पी के आई गयो तो, अरे दाई दारू पी के आई गयो तो पीतम पार्टी हो रही छे. या तो छोरी जयपुरी. अरे वाह छोरिया का करम फूट गया, वाह छोरिया का करम फूट गया, जाको बींद मोटो है. दरवाजे में अटक गयो तो, दरवाजे में अटक गयो तो धक्कम धक्की हो रही छे. या तो छोरी जयपुरी, जयपुरी भाई जयपुरी, या तो छोरी जयपुर की. This is Ed Venu speaks on Twitter. My singing is not good, but the repertoire I've given is awesome. I hope you like the information part of it. The links would be found within 2 or 3 days of the video. Initially, there are 6 or 7 awesome videos. Please don't miss watching it. And please, if you happen to watch this video, please read my comments. Anybody who reads my videos must read the comments, because comments carry more information than my videos. Have a great Sunday. I am going to take bath, sheet shave, shampoo, and go to an awesome concert of Chandra Bindu and Meenakshi Thakur, Monali Thakur at Nazrul Manch, which is a program conducted by Syndicate Banks Society. I will enjoy that. I hope you do. This is 30 minutes. I hope you're not bored.